to the third day of the largest healthcare worker strike in U.S. history. The job action at Kaiser Permanente is set to end tomorrow, but the union is threatening a longer strike if a new contract cannot be reached. Chief National Correspondent Matt Gutman is in Los Angeles. Good morning, Matt.
Hey, good morning, Rebecca. Just to give you a sense of the national importance of this strike, at one point earlier this week, Acting Labor Secretary Julie Su was acting as a mediator between Kaiser and the unions, shuttling between them. At this point, talks have completely broken down at what could be just the first round of the largest healthcare worker strike in U.S. history.
Shame! Shame!
With both sides dug in, the largest healthcare worker strike in U.S. history entering its third day.
What do we want? Safe staffing! What do we want now?
More than 75,000 workers across the nation picketing Kaiser Permanente, the largest nonprofit healthcare provider in the U.S.
Patient first!
The unions are demanding pay increases and fighting what they call unfair labor practices and unsafe staffing levels.
We're working, one respiratory therapist that should be doing the job of 2 or 3.
The strike has limited elective and non-emergency procedures affecting patients like Nicole and her dad.
When we showed up, they said he didn't have an appointment. So that was kind of a surprise. We didn't know there was a strike going on. And so they were able to accommodate us with a different nurse.
Kaiser saying they've reached a number of tentative agreements with the unions on a minimum wage for employees, but Rocio Chacon, a union rep in those marathon negotiations, saying Kaiser never actually presented the deal to the union.
Don't go out to the press and don't send an email saying that you have when I haven't even seen you.
The hospital system overnight reiterating its commitment to reaching a deal. We are coordinating with coalition leaders to reconvene bargaining as soon as possible.
And union leaders are telling me that if progress isn't made in the coming days, they will come back, quote, longer and stronger, striking again in the first week of November, this time for 5 days. And at this point this year, nearly 500,000 Americans have taken part in labor strikes from the auto industry, the entertainment industry, and, of course, the healthcare industry. Rebecca.
And, of course, those auto workers have now been on strike for 3 weeks, Matt.
They have, but there might be some progress. GM saying that it made a counteroffer to the UAW. Ford reportedly saying that it's narrowed differences on key sticking points with the UAW. And perhaps most tellingly, very playfully, the president of the UAW, Shawn Fain, posted a picture of the Bachelorette ahead of his press conference today. But instead of the faces of the men, he posted the logos of GM, Stellantis, and Ford, saying we'll have to tune in to see which one of them got the rose. I guess that'll mean which one they've made progress with. Rebecca.
All right, and a lot of lives hang in the balance. Matt Gutman, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.